In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Discord on phone while playing games like Roblox. This is super useful if you want to talk to your friends without leaving your game. So let's get started. First, open up Discord on your phone, and once you have opened your Discord, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and now you will be inside your settings. From here, tap on the settings icon at the top right, like so, and scroll down until you find voice section under app settings and just click on it. From here, scroll a little down and make sure enable mobile voice overlay is toggled on. If it is not toggled on, just toggle it on like so, and your settings will open for enable mobile voice overlay, and make sure to search for Discord and toggle it on from there. And as I have already toggled it on, now I'll just go to join any voice channel. And after you have successfully joined a voice channel, I'll just go to Roblox. And when you are in the game, a small overlay will stay on your screen. And as you can see, this is the overlay. And when I tap on it to open quick control, you can see your get invite link, switch channel, and open Discord. You can also toggle on mic on or off from the settings like so, and you can end your call from here. And if you want to end the call, just tap the overlay and hit the end button like so, and your call will be ended. And that's it. You can now use Discord while playing games on your phone without switching back and forth. And if this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tech tutorials.